welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Got a great 2023 premiere here for you. This is a 25 Solaris, so 25 feet in length, and Solaris is more of an upgraded model in the Premier lineup. So let's take a look what we got here. So we've got the nice white fencing with a dark gray. It's not black, but it's a nice dark gray. There is lighting on the outside here, so this lighting can turn on and glow on the outside. Let's check out the back here. The swim platform, nice and big, jumping off, real easy to do. We got our battery switch back here, and also this is equipped with a battery charger, so you can just plug in right at the dock if you want, or in a garage or wherever it might be. Plug in, make sure those batteries are nice and charged. We've got the ski tow bar, so pulling skiers, tubers, whatever you want to do, that is nice and sturdy up there. And then we got the Merc. This is the Verado, 350 horsepower, so plenty of horsepower to get this thing going. Obviously another 25 footer, but yeah, this is a fun, nice big engine for this boat. So a lot of stuff on the interior. Let's go take a look at the rest. All right, welcome to the interior of this 250 Solaris. So like I said, this Solaris is more of a upgrade model. So you can kind of see that in some of the stitching that they have in this particular model. We got the nice walkthrough with the dual helm seats side by side. There's storage underneath these seats. Again, phone holders in here and here. Nice place to put your phone. We do have the electric bimini on this 250 Solaris. So by the push of a button, the whole bimini will go up and then back down without having to use it manually, which is kind of nice. So up at the helm, we've got the two seats side by side. The captain's chair, armrests move up and down. It will swivel, it'll go forward and back. And then it does have the bolster seat on this one. The co-captain's chair doesn't have the bolster seat, but nice to have that here with the captain's chair if needed. Like I said, on the outside, 350 Verado. So that means with 350, we get the digital throttle, super smooth, easy to use. You got the start button down in here if you want to start it that way as well. We got LED lighting throughout the interior and exterior. And then we have some courtesy lighting, docking lighting. We also added the Simrad system in here. So touch screen Simrad, give you depths of all the lakes that you want to go to. And then also gives you a lot of engine information as well on your 350. This was upgraded with the JL audio. So we got the JL audio head unit there, along with JL audio speakers. JL audio is the best in the biz when it comes to on water. So it's a phenomenal system to have in the boat. We got storage kind of around the helm, down into here, underneath seats. And then again, 25 feet in length. So you got tons of space up in the bow. We've got storage underneath the seats. I got storage in the floor. We've got cup holders. We got places for your phones as well. So 250 Solaris with the 350 Merc Verado on the back. This boat is here in our Rogers location. If you want to set up an appointment, just give us a phone call or stop on by. We're off of County Road 81 here in Rogers. And as always, click the like button for this video, and also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis. Thank you.